Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Cadillac SRX door panel. First, ensure you have the right tools, including a plastic trim removal tool and a Phillips head screwdriver. Begin by gently prying up the master window switch panel. There are usually several clips holding it in place, so work slowly around the edges. Once the panel is loose, disconnect all the electrical connectors by pressing their locking tabs. Next, you will find two Phillips head screws that need to be removed. With the screws removed, the next step is to release the numerous clips holding the main door panel to the door frame. Take your trim removal tool and gently work it around the entire perimeter of the door panel. You'll hear distinct popping sounds as the clips disengage. It's important to be patient and apply steady, even pressure to prevent any damage to the panel or the clips themselves. Make sure every clip is free before proceeding. After successfully releasing all the clips, the door panel should now be loose. The next crucial step is to lift the entire panel straight upwards. It has a lip that hooks over the top edge of the door frame, near the window. Once lifted, you can gently pull the panel away from the door, creating a gap of several inches. Remember, the panel is still connected by various wires and the door handle cable, so do not pull it completely off yet. With the panel partially detached, you'll need to disconnect the door handle cable. This usually involves lifting a small yellow retainer and sliding the cable out of its housing. Next, unplug any other electrical connectors still attached to the panel, such as those for speakers or other controls. Once all connections are free, you can fully remove the door panel and set it aside. Reassembly is simply the reverse of these steps, ensuring all clips and connections are properly secured.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.